Just yesterday, Dan Mace, a filmmaker and YouTube personality, tweeted out this one simple phrase: one day versus day one. And for some reason, this is having a huge impact on me, partly because it's my birthday. And I'm in this reflective type mode. Oh, whoa, 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 it's my birthday? Hold on. Hello. I gotta pick up my free birthday gift from Starbucks. Didn't want to miss out on my free birthday gift from Starbucks. So one of the reasons why I feel like that statement means a lot is because I think we all could totally understand what it means to dream and think one day when I graduate high school, one day when I move out of my parents' house, one day when I get a job, one day when I have a wife, one day when I have kids. So I think it's very easy to understand that one day is inside all of us. It's inside of me. I remember dreaming what it meant to think one day. And then you get older, I start gravitating to the idea of day one. Day one of I'm gonna start exercising, day one of your new job, day one of my 236th day running in a row. Midway point, day one. And for me, day one is so significant because it means your journey has started. And I feel like my journey is starting again. I believe that I can make this YouTube channel grow. I feel like I have a lot more stories to go. This is just day one. This is day one of my YouTube channel, and what is it that I want to accomplish and share. And I'm going to try to do that. I'm going to try to take this time and make a YouTube channel that's not just day one. So today I'm proposing that I'm going to try to make a video every day until my next birthday. I'm not saying that I have to vlog my whole day. That's not the type of videos that I like making, but I just want to hit that upload button once a day. Uploading videos to YouTube is really the thing that kind of holds me accountable. For example, when I run, I vlog my jog, because if I have that camera there, it's kind of holding me accountable for doing my run streak or jogging. And I think that if I make a goal to make this vlog and to kind of upload a video once a day, it's gonna kind of create energy and hold me accountable for the dreams that I've been thinking about for one day. One day when I start my own business, one day when I start my YouTube channel, one day when I go out there and make this awesome video. So I want to take you guys on the next journey, the next year of my life. And I want to see what I can accomplish in another year, committing to sharing my dreams, my aspirations, my goals, but mainly showcasing my skills and my talent. That's the goal that I'm trying to put out there. I think if I try hard enough, I can grow. I can grow as a person. I can grow as a creator. I don't want to always be thinking one day. I want to remember day one. In this video, day one of this new vlog, to show you how hard I'm going to work to kind of chase my dreams. Dan Mace, thanks for kind of proposing that tweet yesterday. I feel like I'm going to do a good job of sharing with you guys that day one.